Hello everybody. In this video we discuss about the basic of life processes. We all know that all living organisms are made up of organs, various organs such as lungs, kidneys, heart, brain, liver, stomach, etc. All these organs are made up of tissues. Tissues in turn are made up of various cells we studied in previous classes. So, the cell is the basic structural and functional unit of any living organism. Such ordered complex organization of living organisms, how these are maintained? Is all the processes required for maintaining complex living organization of body, that is called life process. All the processes required for maintaining the living organism body is called life process. Life process examples are nutrition, respiration, transportation and excretion. Let us discuss what is nutrition. Nutrition means the process of nutrients intake. The process of nutrients intake. That is in the form of food. Okay. So, what are nutrients? Nutrients are of various types: carbohydrates, fats, proteins, water, minerals, vitamins. Carbohydrates gives us energy. Carbohydrates and fats gives us energy for our body functions. Proteins helps in growth and development. Water, it is required for all functions in our body. Vitamins and minerals are protective food which gives protection against the diseases. What do you think, children? All different organisms around us, they take food material into their body in similar manner? No. The mode of nutrition is seen differ from one organism to another organism. The mode of nutrition are classified basically into two types. One is autotrophic nutrition, second one is heterotrophic nutrition. What is meant by autotrophic nutrition? It is a process in which organisms produce their food from simple inorganic material such as water, carbon dioxide in the presence of sunlight. All green plants come under autotrophic nutrition. All green plants are good example for autotrophic nutrition. Heterotrophic nutrition, in this organism depend upon other organism for food. Examples are human beings, all superior organisms including amoeba. In autotrophic nutrition, plants by photosynthesis process, by using inorganic material like carbon dioxide and water, in the presence of sunlight and chlorophyll, they prepare glucose. They prepare glucose. Heterotrophic nutrition. Here the mode of nutrition in which the organism depend on other organism for their food. This heterotrophic nutrition also further classified into three types: saprophytic nutrition, parasitic nutrition and holozoic nutrition. Saprophytic nutrition, the mode of nutrition in which organism obtain food from dead and decay organic matter. Good example for this saprophytic nutrition is bacteria and fungi. Parasitic nutrition, in which the mode of nutrition in which the organism obtain food from another organism without killing. For example, mosquito, tapeworm, leech and cuscuta plant. Holozoic nutrition, the mode of nutrition, it involves ingestion, digestion, absorption, assimilation, and solid intake of organic matter. That is called Holozoic nutrition. Solid organic matter intake. So, good example for Holozoic nutrition are animals, human beings, and also amoeba include under Holozoic nutrition.